Hi guys, in today's video I'm wearing Curlsqueen 24-inch water jerry curl clip-in extensions. Now it comes with 10 pieces, 2 pieces with 5 clips, 2 pieces with 3 clips, then 4 pieces with 2 clips, and then 2 pieces with 4 clips on it. Now this is my braid down for or before I put in the clip-in extensions. Now I'm showing you guys which one I'm starting with. I'm starting with the one with 4 clips, and then in these next few clips you guys will just be seeing me, self-explanatory, inserting the clips. And for styling, I'm using plain water, and then I'm going in with Auntie Jackie's hydrating leave-in conditioner to help hydrate the hair as well. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true, and I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, your love goes on and on. You give me a feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana. Excuse my manners, I got standards. Excuse my manners, I got standards. I got status. You want status? See more comments, and I see commas. They going down me, we going down there. Let me be honest. Let me be honest. I'm one with the Bucks, boy. Let me be honest. I'm one with the Bucks, boy. Spirit is on us. Spirit is thunder. God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna have me on my. Move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my cues and peace. What? Why can't losers never lose in peace? What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas brown.
In these next few clips, you guys are just going to be seeing me unravel my leave out and basically blend my leave out with the clip-ins. Honestly, when I first saw the clip-ins, I was a little skeptical of how they were going to blend with my natural hair. The clip-ins honestly blended so well with my hair. Like, I was honestly surprised, and it ended up looking so natural in the end. Now, once I am done unraveling this one side of my leave out, all I'm doing to blend my hair with the clip-ins is just intertwining and twisting my hair with it and letting it go. It's honestly as simple as that. And especially with my hair being so short, this hairstyle was honestly so easy for me to do. And shout out again to Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video. Again, if you guys made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and let me know what you guys think so far of the video.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
me in a rush. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams